Are you tired of snoring at night, or you have a partner that snores very badly and it affects your sleep and your relationship? Then you need to get this mouth tape for snoring. Make sure your lips is clean and every other part around your mouth, and then you take out one piece of this. It is super easy to install, and the pack comes with 30 pieces which can last you for a whole month. This, you're saying goodbye to all the troubles of snoring at night. You can buy this for your loved one or for yourself, guys. That was so easy to use. If you like what you see, guys, click on the yellow basket and get yours now. Bye.